Let's start with Tiffany and LVMH. What's happened? What do you think is going to happen?
Well, it's rumored that they've raised their bid to $130 from $120. That wouldn't surprise me. I think Tiffany brings a lot to LVMH, and LVMH brings a lot to Tiffany. It's been a tough go for Tiffany over the past few years in terms of increasing the speed of product innovation. I think LVMH can help fasten that up and speed it up also. I think that LVMH basically wants to increase their fashion and their watches and jewelry category, given how strong fashion and leather goods is. And I think, keep in mind, insiders don't own a lot of stock at Tiffany, so there certainly is a shareholder value that's here to benefit.
So I'll pick up there. You think Tiffany has a lot to gain?
Yes, by
partnering with LVMH.
Yes.
And LVMH has the capital strength to do it without adversely affecting its stock.
Exactly. LVMH has the capital strength, they have the creativity, they have the global muscle in order to help advance Tiffany's and, frankly, modernize Tiffany's and reinvent it for being more relevant.
All right, let's move on to Macy's, off the lows of the day, but lower by about 2% after it reported same-store sales declines in 2 years, slashing its outlook. Earlier this week, former Macy's CEO Terry Lundgren came to Macy's defense when analyst Liz Dunn claimed that part of the problems were that the department stores had a bad relationship with vendors. Let's listen.
Vendors didn't seem to have any problem whatsoever when we were the top performing retailer in America in 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So the vendors were very happy because we were their largest. Now, when business gets soft, their business gets soft because we're their largest partner. So when they added distribution to off-price channels and the consumer was choosing between this and that, it became a bit of a challenge. And now, when those start to hit a wall as well and their business it becomes difficult, it does become strained. Not with just Macy's, by the way, but with everyone.
Think about Macy's.
I think overall the department store category is in a tough spot right now. You've seen it from the same store sales that we've seen at a JCPenney's, you've seen it from Kohl's, and you've seen it from Macy's. When you look at what their sales are, you look at what their stock price is, there certainly is a disconnect. But until you start getting positive same-store sales and until you're starting to see leverage in terms of expenses, this is a higher cost proposition to doing business, and it's a reset in terms of what the financial targets are.